How to backup WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can backup WhatsApp. Now, it's quite simple and quite easy. If you want to backup your WhatsApp messages, all you got to do is open up the WhatsApp and you'll get an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is tap on the three dots option that you'll find at the top right corner of the screen, and once there what you want to do is head into settings. Now on settings you'll find the fourth option that you can see on the screen, chats, below the avatar option. Simply tap on chats here, and here if you scroll down below you will find the third option. You can see the chat backup. Now this is where you'll find the option to backup your chat. Simply open this up, tap on chat backup, and you can see you'll find your last backup here when it was last backed up. You can simply back it up quickly here right now, and then or here you can see end-to-end encrypted backup. You can enable this as well. Now wait, you can read under here, when turned on your backup will be end-to-end encrypted before it gets uploaded to Google Drive. No one, not even Google or WhatsApp, will be able to access it here. Now the main thing is here on backup to Google Drive, you can see the option here. You can choose the Google account that you wanna backup to, and here you can choose when or how many times do you want your chat to be backed up, on a daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis. I'll suggest you to put it on daily basis, so that even if you delete any chat, then you'll be able to recover it quickly. So this way you can back up WhatsApp chats. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.